Hello everyone, my name is John and this is JohwaTech Electrical Contractors Limited YouTube channel, and this is where we learn through practicals and to our clients and to the developers. This is a channel where we showcase our work, and today I want to said that for the last 1 week we have been working in a multi-story building where we were installing CCTV cameras, okay? And yeah, the job was successful. We installed 18 pieces of CCTV cameras. We chose 1080p. Actually, these were analog, not IP, and we chose ColorVu and 1080p kind of CCTV cameras. So we installed 18 pieces of CCTV cameras in a multi-story building, and the job was a success. If I can show you from my screen, you can be able to see that. Let me show you. If you haven't to our channel, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel. Put that notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you can be among the first ones to watch it. So here we go. I want to show you what we did for the last 1 week. Yeah, here we go. We had done cabling, or we did cabling sometimes back, and for the last 1 week we have been doing fitting for the cameras. So as you can see from my screen, these are 16 cameras, and if I can let me show you all cameras from here we go. Let me take so here we go. We have 18 cameras, and this is these are 16. I mean 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. These are 15, and then we have 3 here. We have a total of 18 cameras. However, our DVR can accommodate 32 cameras. We choose a bigger DVR, as you can see here. This is the setup. We have our power supplies, and we have 2 pieces of power supply. This one and this. I'm saying this is the setup, and we have 2 pieces of PSU or power supply. This is 30 amperes, and this is 20. I choose this both of them because my cameras, some of them are going too far. It's about close to 70 meters. So because I didn't want a situation whereby some of the cameras at night, they cannot be able to have enough power and give nice images which are not shaking. I choose 2 pieces of PSU or power supply. One is 30 amperes and the other one is 20. Then we have DVR. This is DVR and the DVR size is 32 channels. So far, I have used a space of 18 channels, and we still have a room of adding more and more if the client will be interested. Okay, so we start by making sure that our cables have a route whereby they are running inside conduits, because literally we don't like doing service work. So the first thing we did during the construction of this house is that we laid or we created routes for our CCTV cameras using conduits such that when we reached a point of doing cabling, we were running our cables through those conduits. And if you look here, you'll not be able to see any mesh work or a conduit or a service work. Okay, so we tried as much as you can. However, we couldn't avoid using this trunking. It's a small trunking because of the cables or the wires for the power supply. We use the trunking, and all the cameras from the entrance gate first up to the floor that we are, which is the rooftop, they run through conduit, and this was the central point for them. This room, we are using it as a security control room. Okay, and so all the wires were drawn up to here. As you can see, I have two boxes, and I also have a bigger boxes there, which is an adapter box, and acted as a junction where we could draw our internet cables, signal cables, because we can use this screen as a TV, and again we can use it to stream YouTube, Netflix, and also we can use it as a monitor, which is the main work for the screen, to monitor the CCTV cameras inside these residential apartment. Okay, so we managed to put or to create routes for the internet cables and signal cables. We drawn a cable which is RG7, and yeah, we also created a route for the router. We have a router behind the TV, and yeah, maybe my camera person can show you. We have a router here. We have a router here, and then we have some Cat6 cables, and this Cat6 cable getting the data from this router, taking to other floors of the same apartment. So yeah, that's how simple we did it. This small trunking here, we put it because we wanted to, you know, to have our whatever HDMI cable to be hidden. What we did is that at first we created a route for the HDMI cable. However, we realized that the conduit that we used was a bit smaller, and the head of HDMI cable could not pass through. So we opted to use the smaller trunking. So it is only carrying the HDMI cable. For all other cables, internet cables, signal, we created some routes using conduits, okay, as you have seen them. So if you are there and you feel like you need some CCTV cameras installation, and you are looking for a professional person who can do that for you, kindly contact us. We offer professional services from Nguru-JohwaTech Electrical Contractor Limited. Or if you want to install your residential home with CCTV cameras, feel free to contact us. We are going to assist you. We also install CCTV cameras in multi-story building like this one, and it doesn't matter how many floors it has. However, we will install every floor, every corner of that apartment with a CCTV camera to make sure that your customers, your tenants in that flat have enough, or they have a tranquil and secure place to call a home. So contact us today and we are going to assist you. In the meantime, kindly remember to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Till next time.